Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a website shortcut to home screen on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. First, you need to go to Google Chrome and search for the website you want to add to your home screen. So let's open HardReset.Info. And search for it. Now, click on the three dots in top right corner and click on Add to Home Screen. Now, add a name of your website. I'm gonna just delete everything what's before HardReset.Info and press on Add. Add. And now it's been added to my home screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.